तेरे देश की धरती
Namaste. My name is Shobna Patel. I was the past president of FIA, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, year 2007 and 8. With me, my colleague Ranjan Ben Darup was a banquet chairperson at that time when I was the president of Federation of Indian Association. FIA is a umbrella organization, and the first time they elected a woman president after 25 years, and that was a really great honor for me to become FIA president. When I became the FIA president, at that time was 60th anniversary of India Independence Day. In the first time in FIA this happened, that we started musical night at State Theatre with Johnny Lever comedian, Raghav for the youngster, and TV serial star Prachi Desai and Ram Kapoor. This happened the first time in FIA in my presidency 2007 and 8 when we celebrating 60th anniversary of India's Independence Day.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Ram Kapoor and the President of the Federation of Indian Association, Mrs. Shobna Patel. Bonnie! First is from the famous TV show Kasam Se. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Prachi. Mrs. Shobna Patel is walking with her. We have a chairman of FIA, Mr. Ramesh Bhai Patel.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have all assembled here this afternoon to celebrate 60th Independence Day of India. And you know what's going on up here, Raghav and the troupe. So please enjoy, but my job is to just say a few lines about Federation of Indian Association of Tri-State Area. It was, the name was adopted in 1977, the constitution, the bylaws of Tri-State Area. It was inspired by late Prime Minister of India, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, because Mrs. Gandhi at the time refused to address any ethnic organization in the United States. Based on her promise, we formed the Federation of Indian Association of Tri-State Area. That's where FIA has been celebrating last 27 India Day Parade, the largest outside of India since 27 years. We all should be together and display our solidarity because we are here to cherish the memories of those who sacrificed the life for the independence of India. So we just became independent only from British. But Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who molded 565 princely states into one union. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the architect of one India. So I request all of you to join me, give the big round of applause, those who sacrificed their life for independence of India. Please join me. Give them a round. Now may I request the member of Executive Committee of FIA to come on stage. And may I request Dr. Sudeep Parikh, Dr. Dado. Now I would like to request the President of FIA to welcome all of you. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. On behalf of FIA, I would like to welcome Prachi Desai and Ram Kapoor ji.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a special guest here for tonight, Mr. Ram Kapoor and Prachi Desai. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for them.
Dr. Dinesh Patel. Dr. Dinesh Patel.
Along with them, we have two wonderful performers all the way from India. One of the finest of Bollywood, the king of comedy himself, Mr. Johnny Lever. Sizzling entertainer, Arago.
Hi everybody. It's a great honor that Ram and me are here today, and we all hope that you guys enjoy the evening. And over to Ram.
Hey, come on, man. What are you talking about? बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सबको स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाने का कल के लिए बहुत बहुत मैं शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और इस कार्यक्रम के लिए स्वामी राघव जी के लिए और जितने भी मंच पर खड़े हुए हमारे मेहमान सारे सबको मैं ये करता हूँ, खास सबको मैं बहुत बहुत सलाम करता हूँ, खास तौर पे शोभना पटेल जी। मैं इनकी बहुत इज्जत करता हूँ, लेकिन अभी ज़्यादा करने लगा हूँ क्योंकि हमारे हिंदुस्तान की प्रेसिडेंट से पहले प्रेसिडेंट बनी है ये। प्रतिभा पाटिल से पहले शोभना पटेल बनी है, हिलरी क्लिंटन से पहले। तो आप लोगों का सहयोग है, आप लोगों का प्यार है, शोभना जी को मैं बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ कल के लिए। फिर अभी मिलते हैं, जो होगा देखा जाएगा।
भैया अभी मैं आपसे आशीर्वाद।
ये हमारी भाभी है और मैं बड़ा भाई हूँ।
I would like to invite on stage Reena Kapoor, Sahara One, वो रहने वाली महलों की। Please Reena Kapoor ji, come on stage.
Thank you so much. Let's hear it from Raghav.
What's up? I'm really afraid that he's gonna make fun of me for the whole set. So I've been really nice to him backstage. I remember growing up in Canada and going to every Indo-Canadian function and wishing one day that there'd be something as beautiful, organized, as big as this as it is in New Jersey. I've been watching it on TV for a few years. Thank you so much for having me out. Thanks for having me in New Jersey all the time. My Hindi is not as good as Mr. Lever, Mr. Johnny G. But guys, have a great time. We're gonna come and we're gonna rock it in a bit. Have a great night, everybody. Peace.
I would like to request Reena ji to say a few words.
Hi everybody, thanks for welcoming me here, and I'm really honored that FI has invited me here. Thank you all.
Thank you. Raghav, we have to...
Good to see all of you here. It's a great crowd, great cause to celebrate. Let's enjoy the show and let's meet tomorrow for the 60th parade for the independence of India. Thank you.
Mr. Johnny Lewer.
मजा में छो ने बद्दा यहाँ गुजराती हो जो मैक्सिमम पापा जी बन जाए यहाँ भाई क्या हाल है महाराज। ओह बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों ने मुझे याद किया इस फंक्शन के लिए। मैं ख़ास तौर पे शोभना जी को, अल्बर्ट भाई को उनका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ जिनकी वजह से इस शो में मैं आया हूँ और बहुत अच्छे ताल्लुकात हैं इनके साथ, कई सालों से आना जाना है। और जर्सी को मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, न्यू जर्सी तो मेरा गांव है, जब भी आता हूँ यहाँ काफ़ी दिन गुजारता हूँ और आप लोगों से मिलकर ऐसा लगता है मैं घर में आया हूँ। पहले के ज़माने में क्या है, गानों में ऑनेस्टी थी, ईमानदारी थी। हीरोइन बोलती थी मुझको ठंड लग रही है मुझसे दूर तू न जा न जा न जा न जा न जा। हीरो ये खुला इनविटेशन दे रही है लड़की, मुझको ठंड लग रही है मुझसे दूर मत जा। आई एम फीलिंग कोल्ड डोंट गो अवे। और हीरो बोलता था आग दिल में लगी है मेरे पास तू न आ न आ न आ न आ न आ। देखिए ईमानदार हीरो है ना, ये होता है। आग दिल में लगी मेरे पास ना, लोचा था जैसे। मगर आज बीड़ी जलैले जिगर से पिया जिगर मां बड़ी आग इसको किचन में बिठा दो, गैस के पैसे बच जाएंगे।
जाने वालों जरा मुड़ के देखो मुझे, एक इंसान हूँ मैं तुम्हारी तरह, जिसने सब को रचा अपने ही रूप से, उसकी पहचान मैं तुम्हारी तरह। जाने वालों जरा, जाने वालों जरा, जाने वालों जरा। Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.
आंखों में इकरार की बातों में, भीगी भीगी रातों में मुझको है खो जाना। Oh, you ready, New Jersey?
Ooh,
yo, yo. Where's my Gujarati masters then in the house tonight? Kemcho, Kemcho. I've been learning so I know Kemcho, Sukarej, Kaile, Soija, Magamuche, Kemcho. When you're ready, bro. You know what? If you even want to do the garba, because I can't do it, you can do it to this like. No more waiting, anticipating. Now she's coming round my way. She could only see within me all the words I want to say. Guess I've never been a king at these games we have to play. I'm still searching for something that would make you want to stay. Like I can be what you want, bring what you need. Can't you see what we got? 'Cause there ain't nobody who can be what you want. Kemcho, New Jersey. Well, there ain't no second chances. Babe, I gotta get it right. Yes, I'm feeling this romance, girl, and I'm needing you tonight. Yes, you got me in a trance, and I can't put up a fight. How I hope this night advances until the morning light. I can be what you want, bring what you need. Can't you see what we got? 'Cause there ain't nobody who can be what you want, bring what you need. Can't you see what we got? 'Cause there ain't nobody who can be what you want, bring what you need. Can't you see what we got? 'Cause there ain't nobody who can be what you want, bring what you need. Can't you see what we got? 'Cause there ain't nobody but me. You ready, New Jersey? गोरी तेरा गाँव बड़ा प्यारा, मैं तो गया मारा आके यहाँ रे, आके यहाँ रे। उस पर रूप तेरा साधा, चंद्रमा जो आधा, आधा जवां रे, आधा जवां रे। हमरा इश्क हुआ है यारो, हमरी कोई खबरिया लो। छोटी उमरिया में लड़ गई नजरिया हो, हमरा इश्क हुआ है यारो। 'Cause I can be what you want, yeah, bring what you need. Can't you see what we got? 'Cause there ain't nobody who can be what you want, bring what you need. Can't you see what we got? 'Cause there ain't nobody.
मेरे देश की धरती, ओ मेरे देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती। मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती। मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती। गम को सुदूर हो जाता है, खुशियों के कमल मुस्कुराते हैं।
माता की
गौतम नानक का, खिलते हैं अमन के फूल यहाँ, गांधी सुभाष टैगोर तिलक, ऐसे हैं चमन के फूल यहाँ, रंग हरा हरी सिंह नलवे से, रंग लाल है लाल बहादुर से, बसंती भगत सिंह, रंग अमन कबीर जवाहर से, मेरे देश की धरती
on the 60th anniversary of independence, and to present this proclamation from the governor to one of the great communities of New York, the Indian community. I'm so proud to be invited, and it will be a prelude to a high delegation visit to India that I will lead early next year. Thank you very much. जवानों के, कहीं करतब तीर कमानों के, जहां की रीत सदा
And you can watch Dish Network for all of your favorite Indian channels, including MH1. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. भारत की बात सुनाता हूं, है प्रीत जहां की रीत सदा।
How many Yankees fans in the house tonight? All right, cool. Good to see. I gotta tell you, she's really beautiful, and it's good to be standing beside her. And that's why I'm not moving or talking much. God bless you, everybody. Happy Independence Day, belated to you. Thank you very much for all your support. I hope you like new music. I'm out. Peace.
Hi, I'm very happy to see you everybody over here. We're celebrating the 6th anniversary of Independence Day. And this is the view showing the Shakti, the power. So thank you very much for coming. Thank you.
भारत के नौजवानों, भारत के दिलेर बच्चों, भारत के बुजुर्गों, भारत को चाहने वालों, बहुत खुशी हुई आप लोगों से मिलकर। महान लोग हैं आप, इतनी दूर रह करके भी देश को याद कर रहे हैं। नमस्ते जी। ये बहन जी को जानते हैं आप? 12 साल पहले मुझसे बिछड़ी है। तो एंजॉय करें। भारत माता की जय।
Satellites already launched. They're the #1 leader in satellite entertainment, ladies and gentlemen, the Dish Network.
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया। I love my India, I love my India. आग लगा दी पानी में जब दीपक राग सुनाया। 7 सुरों का संगम, ये जीवन गीतों की माला। हम अपने भगवान को भी कहते हैं बांसुरी वाला, बांसुरी वाला, बांसुरी वाला। ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India. ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India.
Of ITV, the owner and the man who first started Indian television in this country.
हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। आज पुरानी जंजीरों को तोड़ चुके हैं। सबकी निगाहों का उजाला इंडिया। इसको लगे ना किसी गैर की नजर। जम के जहां में प्यारा प्यारा इंडिया।
National Association of Asian